What's up guys, and another great video on the channel. And in this video I just came up with this setup which you can set up on your Android. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, first of all you need to just download this wallpaper from the link in the description, or you will get in the Shadow KWGT application. So guys, after setting up this, you have to just put these 4 icons here and just go to the Nova settings, then look and free, then icon style, then icon theme, and just choose the sliced icon pack. Then you will see that the icons are set it up and look so similar to the wallpaper. So guys, for the widgets you have to download the KWGT Pro. So guys, after doing that you just need to click on the home screen and go to the widget option. Now you have to scroll down and just choose the KWGT of any size, because you can just resize it if you want. So I'm just resizing it like this for the enough space. So now you have to just click on that and go to the Shadow KWGT here that you have downloaded on your smartphone. Now you have to go down and you will see a widget like this. Now click on that. So guys, now you will see that the widget is of the perfect size. Now you have to go to the overlap group, then to the user, then stack group, and then text. Now you have to change the text. You can just name it by your name. So I'm just putting it to like high tech. So now you have to just save it like this and save it again. Now you will see that this will appear on your home screen like this. So guys, now for the Google widget you just need to follow the same steps. Like you have to just choose the size of 4:2 like this, and you can also resize it if you want. So then tap on that and just go to the Shadow KWGT, and then you have to just search for this Shadow 011 widget. Now click on that. So guys, now you can see that the size is not perfect, so you have to go to the layer option, then click on the scale and just resize it to the 75, then save it and another save. So then you will see the perfect widget is on your home screen. So guys, you can see the information on the status bar is not visible, so you just need to go to the Nova settings and then look and feel, and then tap on the dark icons. Now you can see the status bar is of the black color, which is very visible. So guys, this is all about the full tutorial on how you can just set up this on your home screen. So guys, if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and comment below that what type of KWGTs did you like the most. So thank you so much for watching this video.